Tired of your leads feeling like they're falling through the cracks? Let's transform that chaos into organized success by setting up Follow Up Boss and segmenting those leads like a pro, all in just 90 seconds. First, head over to Follow Up Boss and create your account. You can start with a free trial to get a feel for the platform. Be sure to choose a plan that aligns with your team size and needs. Once you're logged in, the first thing you will want to do is import your contacts. Click on the Import button and select the file to upload. Typically a CSV file. Then, carefully map the columns from your file to the corresponding fields in Follow Up Boss, like name, email, and phone number. Now for the magic. It's time to customize your lead flow. Navigate to the admin, then lead flow section. This is where you will tell Follow Up Boss what to do when a lead comes in. Here, you can set up rules based on the lead source. For example, any lead coming from Zillow can automatically be assigned to your showing specialist. You can do this for all your lead sources, such as Realtor.com, your website, or Facebook ads. Next, use tags and custom fields to add another layer of organization. You can tag leads based on their property interests like luxury homes or condos, or their current status, such as new inquiry or hot lead. Finally, create automated follow-up sequences that trigger based on these tags. A lead tagged luxury homes can receive a sequence showcasing your high-end listings, while a hot lead could be sent a message with an invitation to schedule a call. And that's it. With Follow Up Boss set up and your leads neatly segmented, you're ready to deliver personalized communication, boost your conversion rates, and turn those leads into clients. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tech tips.